Appropriation of Profit. After determination of profit by matching revenue and expenses, net profit is allocated by preparing profit and loss appropriation account.
Appropriation account records the balance in the beginning of the year. Net profit for the year transferred from profit and loss account.
And appropriations of profits, such as interest on capital, salaries of partners, interest on drawings, transfer to reserve, payment of dividends, etc. Thus, it incorporates various items of appropriation of profit, as against charges against profit, which are recorded in profit and loss account.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave your valuable advice below. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update, and share it with your friends.